Ice baths, massages, supplements, what really works and helps relieve muscle soreness. Let's cut the noise and see what really works and what's just marketing. In this video, I'll rate 15 popular recovery methods on a scale from 0 to 10, and we'll discuss what really works based on scientific evidence and what is just a marketing myth. Hi, I'm Caroline, a mom, a surfer, and a certified personal trainer. And in this video, let's discuss what's happening in your muscles after a workout. Why are the muscles so sore? Evidence-based recovery methods that speed up healing. Overrated trends and trends that actually help. How to reduce soreness naturally. My go-to recovery routine. Let's go. Muscle soreness doesn't mean progress. It means recovery is due. In this episode, I'll walk you through proven recovery methods, what actually helps your muscles rebuild, and which hacks waste your time and money. What's happening in your muscles? That soreness you feel, DOMS, is small micro damage to muscle fibers. It's normal. Your goal after training isn't to eliminate soreness instantly. It's to support repair and reduce inflammation naturally. Number one, what actually works is sleep. 10 out of 10. It's primary driver of hormonal recovery, muscle repair, and adaptation. You'll recover more in bed than in any massage chair. So, number one recommendation, put your effort into arranging the best conditions for uninterrupted quality sleep for at least 7 to 9 hours per night. Get dark curtains, get a sleep mask or earplugs to use every night so you don't wake up from any street noise or light. If you live in a city or dry climate, get air humidifier and turn it on at night because dry air irritates your nose when you sleep. If you can't fall asleep early enough, get an essential oil diffuser and lavender or eucalyptus oil to improve your sleep quality. Turn it on for 30 minutes before going to bed and enjoy deep, quality, uninterrupted sleep for your best recovery. Number two, nutrition. Eating enough protein is 10 out of 10, required for muscle protein synthesis and long-term strength gains. Protein and carbs within a few hours after training help rebuild muscle and replenish glycogen. The next one, magnesium. It reduces muscle tension and helps sleep. It's essential for recovery and most people are low in it, so 200 to 400 milligrams in the evening will help improve your sleep dramatically. The next tip, hydration. If you forget to drink water, get a bottle with markers, hydration reminders. Number three, movement. Light activity like walking, yoga, or an easy surf session boosts circulation and helps your body clear waste products. Light stretching can help too, or mobility floats. I will be sharing some of this on my channel. Massage gun, 7 out of 10. It doesn't directly influence the muscle growth or strength, but it helps to reduce the pain a lot. Foam roller, 6 out of 10, helps to reduce perceived soreness and feel lighter. Swimming, 5 out of 10. Active recovery improves circulation but can add training stress. Massage ball targets deep trigger points, hips, shoulders, feet, breaks up knots you can't reach with a roller. Place it on the floor or wall and lean in for 30 to 60 seconds. Foot massage roller provides comfort and tension relief. Used for 2 to 3 minutes for each foot. It improves feet mobility and decreases the load for your back and knees. Acupressure mat, needle mat, 4 out of 10. Mostly pain modulation via sensory stimulation and relaxation, not direct tissue recovery, but it helps to relax your back, reduce stress, and improve sleep quality. Use it for 10 to 20 minutes before going to bed. Yoga wheel, 3 out of 10. It helps open your chest, back, shoulders. Use it for 1 to 2 minutes on your back. As a recovery method, it's just 3 out of 10, but it has other benefits. Epsom salt, 0 out of 10, no solid evidence that magnesium is absorbed through skin. Back massager, 3 out of 10. It doesn't change muscle recovery or any real biological things, but it reduces the pain. So what's overrated? Ice baths and cryotherapy aren't miracle tools. They can reduce inflammation but may also blunt your adaptation if used too often. So on the soreness reduction, 7 out of 10, but on muscle growth, 0 out of 10. Here's what actually works long-term. Sleep for 7 to 9 hours every night, eating enough protein daily, add protein shakes and supplements if you feel you don't eat enough protein. If you don't know how to define the required amount for yourself, leave a comment below and I'll make a separate video about this and the correct calculation method. Stay hydrated, use a water reminder bottle, keep moving, follow light mobility routines. The big truth is that only these 3 things reliably improve strength and endurance: sleep, sufficient protein, and proper training load. Most recovery tools reduce pain perception, but not true recovery. Ice baths feel great, but work against hypertrophy if used too often. Make sure you do the important must-do things: sleep and enough protein, necessary and scientifically proven. And as for pain, soreness, and relieving the discomfort you feel, just choose the method that you like most according to your personal preferences: a massage gun, a foam roller, or even a hot bath.